What's up, guys? So I'm about to be Mondo Chick, or whatever you call him. Right now, I have a full inventory, and I am trying to beat him right now. He is really low. I am not even on mid-tier gear yet, and I'm like, what is that, bro? My game lags and it kills me. That's kind of dumb. Please load! Wait, I can still collect stuff. What the? Yo! Hello? Oh, there it goes. Respawn. No way my game is about to glitch. I'm gonna go, 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 go. Go! Go! 32 seconds! 6,000 health! Come on, lock in, lock in, lock in. Come on, bees, lock in. Come on, you got this. 15 seconds. No! Get out of your shell! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! That is the first time I've ever beat Mondo Chick. I have a poopy hive here. This thing is... Yo, I am cranking out bank right now. Good lord. Holy macaroni and cheese, bro. Oh my goodness. Yo! Ace! I got an ace badge. Let's go. Let's go. I need 1 billion honey. That's gonna take a while to do. Okay. I'm up for it though. I've gotta get the I've gotta beat the coconut crab. Less than a year. Less than a year of grinding, I gotta beat the coconut crab. Wait, do I have the mountaintop yet? Do I have the ace badge for the mountaintop? I'm going to crash out right now. The junior badge for gifted bee pot. Okay, that's wait. The honey mask is gonna be like freaking. What the Sigma? Yo. No, I don't like this. This is what the yo. This is mean. I don't like this. Ooh, puff shroom. You got a minute to do this. That's really easy. That's come on. We're dialed in right now. Cookage. I've been going crazy on the grindage right now. Like, I've been playing Bee Swarm for like an hour now. Probably way more than an hour. But I've gotten 14 million honey. Oh, this might be a little bit of an issue. It's on the corner of the map, and it's a corner on the place. This might be a little bit of an issue. Is there anything in that cave there? If you guys know, just drop a comment below, please. Because if there is like a diamond or something, if there's like a diamond egg or something in there, I know there's like spooters in there, and they scare me. But I don't know what's in there. Okay. We're gonna go back to my hive and do stuff real quick. I'm gonna get this real quick because I'm bored. Ha! Come on. Come on, chat. Let's go. No! Let's go. Okay. This is my current hive, I think. If it's bad, let me know. Ooh, I forgot I had this. Okay. If you guys say I'm wrong for this, you can roast me in the comments, but we're gonna do this. That's not... I'm not a red hive. I don't need that. Frick. I'll still take it, though, because it's better than nothing. Give me a legendary. Oh, yes, king! Last royal, and I got a legendary. That luck right there is massive. You know what else is massive? Not me playing Bee Swarm. I'm horrible. This is like, I'm still a beginner, right? I haven't even... Only thing good I bought is up there is the rake. I don't have anything. Wait, don't you activate this every hour? You monkey! What the Figma? Ooh, stump snail. I want to see how much this guy has got. He's been doing this for a while. Nope, I'm leaving. Oh, it's a windy bee. Oh my god. Chat, I need a full cook. Kill the mantis. I don't give a crap about you. Kill the windy. We're dialed. I'm dialed. I want a windy bee so bad, but they're... Come on. I forgot his attack, or like, they fling you halfway across to like northern Nigeria. Just to prove... I want to see how far it flings me. Northern Nigeria. Oh, fudge cracker. No. And the good thing is they don't do damage. So if you, I'm like full sprintage right now. Is he dead? There's another one. Sure, we can do that one. Where's the other one? There was another one, correct? Correct me if I'm wrong. I saw another one. Is that thing moving? Yes, it is. Okay. There's another one somewhere. I don't know where, but there's another one somewhere. It's bear. Okay. Oh, yep. I think I found out where it was. You know? I think I found out where it is. I think I found out where it is, you know? Oh. Yeah, I think I found the other windy bee. Please. Chat, it's not that deep. I just got like full flung halfway to northern Nigeria, bro. Get this child. Get him. Get him, boy. My bees are like full cooking you, bro. We're gonna get these. We get these. Mentally, Jesus help me. Come on, get him, come on, come on. Don't you dare. You better not, you little turd. You little shark. Stop. I don't like this. Please beat him. Did he beat? Did he get beat? Is he beated? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Where is bro going? Here he is, here he is, here he is. Come on, get him, get him. Ah! His little tornado doodads do like crazy amounts of damage on me right there. Get away from me, you little monkey! Chill out, bro. It's not that deep. Oh, yep, I'm getting flinged. There is no way I did not just get like full flung to northern Nigeria with that one, bro. Chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out. Okay. I just wanted to apologize. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm back. Why'd you fling me, man? I don't like you. I don't like you. Kill him already. Please. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lordy mighty boy. Sigma boy. I'm wasting valuable time right now. Running around, doing circles. 44 seconds to beat him. I got this, chat. I got this, chat. I got this, chat. I got this, chat. I got you, bro. Get over here. Yes, king. Yes, king. 31 seconds, 600 health. We got this, chat. Get him. Get him, boy. Get him, boy. What the what the poopy cheeseburger? Yeah, no, I'm not beating a 9,000 health Windy Bee in 4 seconds. Yeah, no, that's... What did that give me? Jeez! I don't know what that gave me. Dang, 7 cloud vials? Good lord! Okay, we get these. My blessing, it's gonna take like 2 bees. Oh wait, I can do frick, I can do that bee quip thing. Wait, no. Where's that planter practice? Collect 1 hour of nectar. If you know how to do that, please help me. I don't know how to do that. I don't like this, okay? Leave me alone. Okay, we're gonna do ant challenge. Just leave me alone, bro. I know. Wait, if you does the jumping thing work in ant challenge? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Indeed, it does not. Okay. I'm gonna turn on my auto clicker. Launch anyway. I don't. Crap! I opened OBS instead of OP auto clicker. My bad. Boom. OP auto clicker. We're gonna run this for 1 millisecond. Okay. Okay, so all I gotta focus on is just dodging. Like, I have my auto clicker on, so it should be pretty easy to just, like, I wanna get, what's the thing right above gold? I don't know. Oh, massive lord! Yo! How Haven't lost a single health yet? If you guys can tell me how to do macroing, I would be infinitely appreciated. Because I have no idea. I watched a YouTube tutorial on it. It did not work out very well. Fudge. Oh, 31 damage on an ant is crazy. It's like an army ant damage. Trying to save up for what's that thingy majingy called? What's that thing called? It's like the honey dipper, but better. And also the white backpack, or the white super backpack. The one that can carry. Chill out, blood. Holy moly, look at that damage. Is that what happens whenever you have a gifted lion bee? Because if so, I'm gonna need a full squad. Please, I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. You monkey. Okay, I have like a bug bite, so I'm itching it because I'm... Oh, shoot! I was clicking the wrong button. I was clicking S instead of W. I did not see the red thing. Okay. Wait, oh my lord. Please chill out. Please chill out. I'm gonna always have my hand on my mouse because it's always good to move your mouse with shift lock. Oh, Jukid's right there, bro. Oh! Oh my god! Yacht! You did not just... Where? Oh, jeez. Get out. Please, chat. It's not that deep. I can just stay here, bro. Let's go. I'm a bear. I'm a bear. Okay, you get this. You get these. We get these. My score is 69, bro. Holy damage. Oh. Oh, Lord. Please. Oh, my massivage. No. You turd. Here, hold on. I want to see how much it is for the max. We just gotta get 150. I'm just gonna like do something else in the meantime. Oh my gosh, bro, I hate this. I'm gonna level up some of my bees in the meantime. How much stuff do I have? I'm gonna use royal jellies, actually. I'll do it on this one. Bubble. Kill me now. Please. Yo, he's actually kind of close, so I'm gonna use some strawberries. Let's go. Level 7 lion bee. Gifted lion bee, I have you, because I'm... Wait, hold on. Skibidi toilet. Pause. What the heck? I don't like this. Okay, the Mondo. Jeez Louise. I'm gonna try and get that. Plus 50 convert amount, so I need 150 pineapple, 150 sunflower. And how many stingers? 10 stingers. That's not that much. How many stingers do I have right now? 7 stingers. Okay, I'll take that. Ooh. Ooh. I could do the little sticker. What is that over there? I can do the little sticker thing. I can do the sticker man. Honey dipper. Yippee, I got 1 oils. How many do you need? 5? And then you need... What? Yeah. You don't want this, King. You don't want this, sir. Get your ugly, bubblegum dum-dum looking, booty cheek sniffing, bubblegum looking, booty hole sniffing. Get your ugly... 22 million, what the hell? Oh, what the... Okay. I will be leaving. What is that craft? What the what? I'm concerned. What in the super smoothie? I can't even get one of these, let alone me getting freaking 5,000. Okay, no, I'm not playing Mega Memory Match. I always no. Get away. Please. Hope a place where I can go. I'm just like grinding tickets at this point. I'm trying to get the freaking one from the baby. What's that thing called? It's like the actually, you know what I should be doing? Oh my massive. That is like so close to being done. Ooh, brown bear. Sure. For 2,000 blue pollen, that should not be that hard. Yeah, no. We could just do this down here. Plus, I need to get a lot from the blue flower field. I mean, that's not a lot, but like the blue flower field is actual buns. How many royal jellies are you gonna give me if I do this for you? Okay, I need pumpkin patch. Pumpkin patch. Okay. Defeat 4 spiders. Just kill them already. I want to think I can beat Tunnel Bear, but I 100% cannot beat Tunnel Bear. Just to prove Panda Bear is actual ass butter, we're gonna talk to him. I give you dead carcasses for you to eat so you can live. You give me broke boy stuff. What is 8,000? You give me 8,000, honey. And I freaking beat my silver egg. Not beating 20 ladybugs, 20 rhino beetles, and freaking 10 spiders for a lousy little silver mother clucking egg. That's not what's gonna happen. Where's my gun? I mean, you're actual poop cheese butter, bro. Nobody likes you. Your dad left you. Nobody actually loves you. Please leave the planet on this earth. You need to disappear. Thank you. Okay? Glad that we're clear on that. And that nobody wants to do your quest, but we have to get freaking 100% completion. How many stingers do I have? I gotta feed 1,000 treats to my little guys.
Are you hungry?
No.